This came in the mail today. I waited for over a month for it to come in. Came from China. Not much for packaging. That doesn't really matter. The case usually used for drill bits or end mills for CNC stuff. Okay. All I smell is machine oil. I'm not sure if that's supposed to actually be there. There's a piece of metal in between. It wasn't. Man, that stinks. Alright, so I guess I don't have instructions, so I'm not really sure how this is supposed to work. I'm glad they at least marked it. That's a 6. Whatever else it means, I don't really know. Okay. So we got 12, we got 8, we got 10. We only got 4 bits. Okay. 10 being the largest. And we got some drill bits to go with it. And they got like this little cut piece. So I'm guessing this goes into here. About like that. Maybe this goes, okay, there's a little notch. The notch right there. We'll start out with the number 10. I'm not sure what how deep of anything we can go with, since there's no, nothing. I'm guessing we're going to go with the shoulder length here, and then we're going to put this guy over it. It's kind of squared on both sides, so. Like, what am I supposed to do? Thanks for instructions, people. Really encouraging. I'm gonna back one of these out. Might be binding. And back this other one out. There's no need for machine oil on this. Okay, that's what the problem was. It was binding. I'm gonna make this come back out. Lock down on one side. Start this side. Okay. I'm going to bring this out a little bit further than that. Let's do it like that. That's tighten. This is tighten. This is tighten. So all four sides are tightened. And let's go put this in the drill press, and a piece of wood, and make it the first wood bead. Interesting. This was like 15 bucks, free shipping. They included 2 more of these screws. If these drill bits break, I guess we'll just have to take and grind it off on another drill bit, because where are you going to find anything like this? You're not. I got the drill bit into drill press, and they don't send any measurements of what you can, suggestions or anything like that. So this is just a 1x2, I believe, and we're going to try it out. This, from this point to here, is 6 millimeters. So you're going to only be able to cut the thickness one way, 6 millimeters deep, and the other way, 6 millimeters deep. So something like this 1x2 is way thicker than what this allows. So if you're looking at buying one of these, be aware of that. Yeah. So this is what I've been able to produce. These here, yeah, you'll have to do some sanding, but they actually come from the stick from the yard. This is the 12. This is how deep it goes. If you're doing like furniture making and stuff like that, that'd be kind of neat to make buttons or whatnot on the furniture indentation all the way down or something. But it's not thin enough for this drill bit, number 12 millimeter, go through. But we are making some natural beads here from a tree. Like I said, it's just a stick. And we're going to take, we'll do this side first. Then we'll flip it over and do the back side. And we broke a drill bit. Okay, so now we have to change the drill bit. Now we're down to 3, and this is why I wouldn't use this style, because it's proprietary. Okay, I got the drill bit changed. I'm trying a different breed of wood, I guess you could say. another wood bead. So it's a tedious process of getting this stuff, but it's kind of neat. You can make this stuff on your own. I mean, they are very lightweight too. It'd be fun if you had time to sit there and pass. But if I was going to do this for production purposes, maybe I already do, like, I don't know, dowel rods or something. In my best opinion, is this thing cool. It has its quirks. Maybe spend the extra $30 to get the other one that has a different drill bit attached. If you're just playing around with some woods, sure, 15 bucks is not bad. But I don't know, wouldn't waste my time. That's all I have to say about this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.